and welcome to my channel! Because of online class, assignments, quizzes, due dates, exams, homework, projects. Oh, speaking of projects, I have a project in science which is actually a vlog about taking care of plants and trees. Hope you enjoy it. In the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 29, God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it, they will be yours for food. Plants are very important, and God wants us to take care of them. They give us food like this tiny eggplant. They give us shade from the sun. And plants give us fresh air! Woo! Before I show you how to take care of plants, here are 4 basic parts of the plant. The first one are roots. The roots are the ones who absorb water and minerals from the soil. The second is stem. Stem is the one that transports water and minerals from the plant. Third are the leaves, which are responsible for photosynthesis. And the last one is the flower, which is responsible for the reproduction of the plant. Everyone, please take care and plant more plants. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is important for all living creatures and us. Plants also produce food and other useful products like rubber, medicine, and clothes. Plants and trees are also important for reducing soil erosion. Taking care of plants is very easy and simple, and we can all do it! Plants, just like us, need water. So you need to water them from time to time, but don't overdo it or else they'll die. Plants also need nutrients, so we need to give them fertilizer. We should also check on them to see if there's harmful bugs or insects that are attacking them. We should also check if there are weeds on the plant. If there are weeds on the plant, we will pull them out. You should also clean the dry fallen leaves. showing love to plants, that means you are like showing love to God. We want God to be happy with us, right? And that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed.